Can you see me?
I can see you.
I don't have the wireless on, so I'll just talk directly at the camera since traffic's rolling. This is 100% an Andy Melton guided hunt. I have no idea. Every time we drive by here, I look for birds, but him and Lynn came in here a couple days ago and actually put up a cell camera. This is where Andy and I started open in the morning, just over the rise right here, and had 3 birds come to the edge, and literally you could see their fans, and the hens came all the way to where they could see the decoys, and they just didn't like it. But we think if the gobblers would have came, they would have probably committed to the decoys, and it just didn't work out. So we're gonna give these birds a go, because last night Andy and Lynn were getting pictures of these birds going to roost. So we're gonna slip in there and get set up right next to the camera where they've got pictures of them going by, and probably put the decoys in the woods this time and get up there with them. Could be a quick hunt, but I also have to get to work, so it'll be all right.
Feel him. What happened?
I don't know what happened. Did I shoot low right here?
Must have. Something. Huh? Something happened. I don't know. It looked like you hit him low or something. I don't know.
Got down in the creek.
He got in the creek?
Yeah, I'm bleeding.
Did he spur you?
Ripped half his fan out. It's okay. Literally, half his fan.
Well, he looks nice and wet. Boy, he's in that creek, wasn't he? Oh, gosh. Dude, for some reason, this has been the roughest year on us for jacked up hunting.
Look at that. I just hate that he flopped down there in the creek.
I do too.
He was beautiful coming up through that
Oh
scrub.
man, yeah, they're gorgeous coming up over that hill in that sunshine.
Oh, unbelievable.
It was gorgeous.
Oh, look at this wet bird.
Boy, he is soaking wet. He got a nice beard on it.
Yeah. Nice beard. Not bad, not bad. But yeah, like I said, he was awful pretty coming up through there. I wish he hadn't got down in the creek, but
There's 3 of them.
it is what it is.
Good deal.
It's our first morning. Right. Our first morning on a brand new farm we've never hunted before. We've deer hunted it. I killed some good deer here, but we've never turkey hunted it. We've always seen a bunch of turkeys. And my buddy's gracious enough to let us come up and turkey hunt this year. We are in southern Kentucky, opening day for the Kentucky season. So we really don't know where we need to start at, where they're going to be at, where they're going to strut at. So it's just going to be pretty much a adventure. Oh, he's coming.
I can't see him no more.
Oh my goodness. He's still down. If we can get to these, if we can get to that real big tree right there, yeah. He was straight below us. That's him right there. I don't see any hens with him. Do you? The only thing is that fence is electric. It would shock the crap out of him if he tried to go under it. Trying to make a root move and get around on this bird who spotted down the field. He went out of strut and is walking pretty good there for a second. He'll pop back into strut. But he's in the field that we're in now. He went under the fence. So he's somewhere right down here to our right, or to our left. But trying to figure out where we can get to him to call him in.
Oh yeah. Come on, buddy. The other hen left. good now. Whenever you get ready. Just let me know.
Ready?
Yep.
Yes, sir, buddy.
I can't believe he came all the way over here, dude. Oh,
That hen left him. That hen, she's all the way up in the woods.
It's a good thing we had the shadows at our advantage.
Dude, that sun, I'm telling you, that's what did it. That's the only way we were able to get down here. That sun is at our back, and this hillside is nothing but thick cedars. We were able to sneak all the way down in these shadows, get down here at the edge of this field. That hen was leaving him, and we just sweet talked that sucker. He just turned and came all the way across that field. Oh, that was
Freaking awesome. Right in the road.
Beautiful bird. Nice big long beard on him. Probably, I don't know, 9.5 inch beard. Nice 2-year-old bird. Oh, that's awesome. Opening day, Kentucky. First time ever hunting this farm. And actually, this is the very first Kentucky bird eye I've ever taken. So I can mark another state off my list.
Congrats.
Thank you.